Imagine getting paid $35 an hour just to listen to music on Spotify. Sounds like the ultimate dream job, right? That's exactly what Audiofy.site claims to offer. And for anyone looking to earn easy money from home, it's definitely an attention grabber. But before you get too excited, it's important to take a deeper look at what's really happening behind the scenes, because the red flags are too big to ignore. First off, there is absolutely no official confirmation or evidence that Audiofy.site is partnered with Spotify in any way. That's a huge concern, especially when a platform bases its entire model around one of the biggest streaming services in the world. If they were truly working with Spotify, they'd proudly display proof, but they don't. Instead, what you'll find is a website that looks rushed and amateur, redirecting users to random and irrelevant pages when they try to sign up or get more information. That alone should raise suspicions. The site's domain was only registered in April 2025, meaning it's incredibly new with no established track record or reputation in the online job space. There's also no reliable contact information, no customer support, and no team details, nothing that gives you a real sense of who's behind the platform or how it operates. Even worse, user reviews displayed on the site seem overly positive and generic, likely fabricated to create a false sense of trust. There are also misleading pop-ups and countdown timers designed to pressure you into signing up quickly, a common tactic used in scam websites. And when you try to look them up on trusted review platforms like Trustpilot or Reddit, there's a complete absence of honest feedback or real user experiences. All these signs point to a carefully crafted illusion meant to hook in people who are desperate for income. While the site doesn't openly ask for payment upfront, the time and personal data you risk giving away could be far more damaging in the long run. In conclusion, Audiofy.site feels more like a deceptive scheme than a legitimate opportunity. It may not be the most aggressive scam, but it's built on shaky promises and zero accountability. So before you waste your time or expose your information, think twice, because in this case, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is.